y is the smallest integer such that 3150 times y is the square of an integer. So what that means is the left-hand side, the 3150 times y, has got to be a perfect square. Because you got to be able to take the square root of it with nothing left over, okay? Because if I do this and this, of course, the right-hand side would just be x, and I want 3150 times y. I want that to be a perfect integer. So what you need to do is do a prime factorization. And what comes to me first is 315 times 10. And then 315 would be 5 times 63. And 10 is 5 times 2. Bring down the 5. 63 is 9 times 7. 9 is 3 squared times 7. Bring down the 5 and bring down the 2. So what are you left here? You've got a 2. You've got a 3 squared. You've got a 5 squared. You got 2 5s. And you got a 7. So what we have on the left-hand side is 2 times 3 squared times 5 squared times 7 times y. And that's got to be a perfect square. I'll just go ahead and call that x. Well, you can take the square root of 3 squared because you could bring out a 3. And you take the square root of 5 squared, you bring out a 5. Okay? I wish that 2 was a 2 squared. I wish that 7 was a 7 squared. So watch. Bring down the 2, 3 squared, 5 squared, 7. And I'm going to make y 2 times 7. Because then that gives me 2 squared, 3 squared, 5 squared, 7 squared, and I could take the square root. So I want y to equal 2 times 7, which is 14.